Hi, DJ Oli. Today, I'm going to finish you with the messy, inconsiderate sexual affairs of ADC, which is aide de camp, Winston Mutinima Changara. He was ADC to the former president Mugabe. Changara was HIV positive. During his tenure as officer commanding PPU, which means Police Protection Unit, he established a netball team that he referred to as the Golden Girls. The netball team comprised the beautiful girls fished out from the surrounding high density suburbs of Harare. He had his scouts who would do the hunting of the said girls. Once incorporated into the netball team, they would be recruited into as members of the special constabulary. Uh, Whenever we go out fishing to places like Mashikadei, Kariba, Lake Mutirikwe, and so forth, we would go with 3 or 4 of these girls, all would be his girlfriends. In one night, he would sleep with them all without any protection. Our fishing expedition would usually take 5 to 7 days. The next visit would see Changara switching the women with new girls now, creating a systematic rotation. Some of these women are married. Whenever he preferred to other types of women, he would get the Tonga guy. You would get these Tonga ladies. I cannot say ladies, but girls in Binga. There was a guy by the name Mwindi. Mwindi was the runner. He knew when we would be coming there. And so he would arrange girls in advance. And when we arrive, we first see Mwindi, and we would take him and the girls to Chihure Gorge. Chihure Gorge is about 77 kilometers off Siabwa Road. That this road goes into Chihure Gorge. There'll be, it's sort of a game reserve. That's what Chisarira Game Reserve is. Right. Uh, whenever we get to Chihure Gorge for fishing, we would first locate this mint, as I said before. One day he broke one girl's virginity, and this girl faced difficulties in walking. The girl was around 13 or 14 years of age. On our return journey, one of the drivers was asked by Changara to take the girl to her parents, who refused to accept her. So there was no other way of solving the problem except to marry that young girl. So Changara paid Lobora and the parents accepted Changara as their son-in-law. Even the family of Changara doesn't know that. Each time we visited Chete Gorge, he could send his driver with goodies to his in-laws. As time went by, he limited his visits to this area. Maybe the in-laws are still waiting for their son-in-law to turn up, not knowing he passed on. Because it is a remote area, Changara was very popular in areas like Mount Darwin, Kariba, Binga, Gweru, Mashingo, Bulawayo, and Harare too. So this act of sleeping with an underage girl is criminal. He did not love this girl. He married just to avoid criminal charges being laid against him. So, what I can say is Changara did not have a proper choice of girls, of his lovers. As long as it is a woman, he would take that woman and use and dump her, find someone else. He did not care whether that woman is married or not. That was not his business. And even here in Harare, most women, they know Changara very, very well. Okay, with that's the end of it, and I'll come with some other episodes. Thank you.